Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I went on Pinterest looking for ideas for a vintage wall mirror for my grandmother for Mother's Day, and I came across these beautiful vintage mirrors, and I would like to show you how I created my own. If you would like to find out how I created my own vintage mirror, just continue watching. I found this long waist size mirror laying on the sidewalk, and this is what I'll be using for my project. I'll be using the strongest box I have, and I'll place the mirror on top, trace it, and cut it to size, and I'll be cutting two pieces. You may also use four 8x10 square mirrors from Dollar Tree. Next, I'll be using duct tape to cover any gaps that are open, but you may use any kind of strong tape you have. I purchased four plastic lawn fences from Dollar Tree, and I'll start by measuring the center with my ruler to the length that I need, and then I'll start cutting it with scissors. Save the bottom pieces for future projects. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll place one fence on each side, a ½ inch in, and then I'll start gluing them in place using hot glue. Next, I'll be using my hot tool, and I'll cut one fence in half so I'll have a set of two. If you're not sure how to use a hot tool, please ask for assistance or go online on YouTube, and there are plenty of videos to show you how to use a hot tool. I'll take both pieces and glue one on each end, a ½ inch in, and repeat the same gluing steps. I also took one fence and cut it into four pieces, and I'll be gluing these on all four corners. Next, I'll be using flexible floral wire that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'll be making two holes on the upper side with my X-Acto knife, and I'll pass the wire through. Next, I'll use my strongest adhesive and hot glue to attach the mirror. Next, I'll be using Floral gem wrap and I'll be cutting it into single strips. I'll be using hot glue to apply the floral wrap, following the pattern. I also apply self-adhesive mini mosaic stickers on each pointer using hot glue. I'll be applying 1-inch round mirrors that I purchased from Joann's Fabric and I'll be applying them using hot glue on each pointer. Next, I'll be applying these metallic silver string beads around the edges of the mirror and I'll be using hot glue. And here is the finished look. I really do love the way this vintage mirror came out. And my 80-year-old grandmother, the true glam queen that she is, I'm sure she'll love this for Mother's Day. And always remember the DIY projects that I post are just to give you ideas. Always make it unique and your own. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget I post new DIY videos every week. Subscribe if you haven't and like and share with family and friends. Comment if you wish and click those notification bells for more upcoming future videos. See you soon.